Okay, so just wanted to make a quick video in case there's any confusion about this optional part of the lesson. So above this video, there are two linked documents. The first is the self-paced review document. What this video has is all of the recommended review videos to watch before your final exam on Thursday. So the suggested pacing is in the leftmost column. So you can see, for example, today, May 12th, the suggested pacing is that you're reviewing our cognitive psychology unit and you're watching either these College Board videos. Again, even if you only have time to watch one or two, that's better than none. Or the same content covered over here in the crash course videos. So these videos are going to be, the ones on the left are going to be a little bit more AP aligned because they're made directly by College Board. The ones on the right are explained, I think, in a little bit more engaging way, a little bit more like with stories, and it's a little bit less kind of like studying of a just like pure study and review mode. So either these videos or these videos, again, watching one or two is better than none, just whatever you have time for. And as you're watching them, the purpose is that you're creating a strong cheat sheet that you can use during the exam, because as you can probably tell from the practice we've been doing, Google is a little bit tricky. It sometimes takes a few minutes to find a definition that is good and then to paraphrase it into your own words so you don't plagiarize accidentally. And that time, those like 2 or 3 minutes, are really precious because it's a very fast-paced exam. So cheat sheet will make you a lot more efficient during the exam, and also hopefully you remember a lot of these topics off the top of your head. And so that way you don't even have to look them up. You can just create your answer from the top of your mind during the AP. Okay, so for the cheat sheet outline, it's the document linked below. And essentially, you all already have a copy of this. So what I would suggest doing is scrolling down and finding the new sections that I added below. So it starts with heredity, environment, and endocrine system. And you can just copy this into your cheat sheet document. If it's helpful for you, just to have the links of the video right here and then a place below to quickly take notes. And make sure this is in the same document as your other cheat sheet. So you want to basically have all of your notes just in this one document that you can open and use during the AP. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. You're going to be, the two documents you need are linked right above this video. You're going to be making your cheat sheet either with the layout that I set up by copying and pasting into your existing cheat sheet, or you can obviously structure it however is best to you since you're the one that's going to be using it during the exam. But definitely do take notes, and take notes in one place so that you can easily use that document during the AP. And then the other document you need is this AP Psych Exam Prep 2020, which has all the videos linked for review. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this helps.